Hello and welcome to Fly By Night Leatherworks. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to start putting together a shop uniform. Piece one is going to be the pants. These are going to be an old Lululemon pair of pants that has kind of the side pocket coming out of the side. See, it's been washed a few too many times, but this is repairable. So today for that we're going to be using this thread right here. I'm going to be doing a saddle stitch. I'm using these here needles and a pair of scissors in my sewing kit. And you can join me for that time lapse. Right, and there you have it. These pants are hopefully saved. We'll see after I wash them. I might take some slightly higher quality thread and reinforce this stitch, but I think that's going to do it for now. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.